Hey guys, hope you're having a great week. Today I've got you 12 different kind of Halloween cupcake recipe. All of these are super easy and spooky and perfect for your next Halloween party. They all have a vanilla cupcake base to it, followed by a vanilla buttercream frosting tinted with different colors, which is so easy. So without any delay, let's get baking. For the cupcake base, you want to use all the ingredients mentioned in the screen. Make your perfect cupcake batter, transfer it to a lined muffin tin and bake them at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. And once the cupcake are cooled down, you want to make a buttercream frosting. It's nothing but butter and sugar cream through. Now you want to use the required food color for all the cupcakes. Here I'm making Frankenstein cupcakes, so I'm using green food color to it. Next I'll top with some black sprinklers, some candy eyes on the front and some pretzel sticks along the sides to make the perfect Frankenstein cupcake for Halloween. Next I'll make Cookie Monster cupcake. Here I'm using blue buttercream frosting. I'll simply frost it over my cupcake. I'll top with 3 candy eyes to make 3 eyes of these cookie monsters. Fill the center with melted dark chocolate and almond slivers to make teeth, and this is again ready. For the third recipe, I have Monster Eye Cupcake for you. This is red buttercream frosting. I'll top with a green M&M, candy eye and red candy melts along the edges. I'll use a skewer to even it out, and there you go, these bloody veined Monster Eye Cupcakes are again ready. Every kid will love this. For the fourth one, I have something so easy. It's called Halloween Slime Cupcakes. You want to frost with green buttercream frosting, top with some candy eyes, and this is again ready. For the fifth cupcake, I'm making Halloween Ghost Cupcake. Here I'm using vanilla buttercream frosting. I'll simply top with chocolate chips and your Ghost Halloween cupcakes are ready. For the sixth recipe, I have something so special. It's called Jacko Lantern Cupcake. You want to use orange buttercream frosting and use melted dark chocolate to draw the eyes and mouth of these Jacko Lantern. Next, use some green buttercream frosting to draw the petals of these Jacko Lantern, and this is again ready. Next, for the sixth recipe, I have Halloween Witch's Hat Cupcake. I'll frost with green buttercream frosting, stick a Hershey's Kiss to an Oreo and stick it along the edge along with some orange buttercream frosting, and your Halloween Witch's Hat Cupcake is again done. This is so easy. Next, I'll make Mummy Cupcakes. This is so easy. You want to use vanilla buttercream frosting and top with some candy eyes, and you can easily make this in a huge batch. Next, I'll make Zombie Brain Cupcakes. For this, I'm using pink buttercream frosting. You want to draw 2 lines in the center and waves along the edges to make your perfect brain cupcakes for Halloween. Next, I'll make Oreo Spider Cupcakes. I'll use vanilla buttercream frosting, topped with an Oreo candy eyes and melted dark chocolate to draw the spider legs, and this Oreo buttercream frosted cupcakes are ready. Next, I'll make Ghost Buddy Cupcakes. For this, I'm using orange buttercream frosting. Use some melted white chocolate to draw the ghost structures. Next, I'll use some melted dark chocolate to draw the eyes and mouth of these ghost buddies, and they are ready. Next, I'll make the easiest Halloween pumpkin cupcakes. You want to use orange buttercream frosting to draw the pumpkin structure. Next, use some green candy melts to draw the petals of these pumpkins, and this is ready. And there you go. This is how you make 12 different kinds of Halloween cupcakes. All of them are unique, special and super spooky in its own way. Hope you had a great time learning how to make these easy Halloween cupcakes. You can find the full recipe in the description box below. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and stay tuned for more easy and amazing recipes like this every day. Have a great Halloween, everyone. Thanks a lot for watching.